Fire in the hole. Let's cook some bacon. That's all, just bacon, nothing else. No, we're gonna double down on the kernel. That's what we're gonna do. But I just had to get your attention with this bacon cooking up. Gonna get some bacon cooked up. Then we're gonna double down on the kernel. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is a mess because I've got dogs barking, construction workers driving nails, and it's just, it's horrible. But what I want to do is, I want to make this Kentucky Kernel double down sandwich. I want to talk about Kentucky Fried Chicken. I want to talk about this right now. I got the idea for this from my buddy Rob, who made some pork chops with this Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. It's got 10 herbs and spices in it, but you know the Kentucky Kernel has got 11 herbs and spices, so we're going to have to add one, and I think what we're going to add is some cayenne pepper. Just going to sprinkle some cayenne pepper in there. That'll make it 11. I've got some chicken breasts that I've been marinating in buttermilk all night. Thinly sliced chicken breasts. Gonna let them drip dry a little bit if I don't keep dropping them back in the thing. I'm having a hell of a time here, ladies and gentlemen. The noise in this neighborhood today is out of bounds, completely out of bounds. There's dogs barking, there's drills going, it's like everywhere. Anyway, there goes my chicken in my flour. Get them coated on the other side. Get them coated up good. I've got my hot oil and bacon fat over here that we're going to fry him in. So let's fry him up in that. Get another one. That's the bottom of the sandwich. Here's the top of the sandwich. We get that in that seasoned flour that I've added cayenne pepper to, because it takes 11 herbs and spices to make Kentucky Fried Chicken, right? Anyway, yeah, I want to talk about Kentucky Fried Chicken a little bit while I fry this chicken. When this sandwich first came out, it was very controversial. They said it was very unhealthy, blah, blah, blah. You know, it really isn't that unhealthy. I mean, there's worse things you can eat. But the Kentucky Fried Chicken franchises, well, who doesn't like Kentucky Fried Chicken? It's the best thing going. But they, inside the restaurants, it's kind of dirty for my taste. I don't really like to go in there. But if you're going to do takeout, well, yeah, that's great. Anyway, yeah, you can't really say anything bad about Kentucky Fried Chicken, can you? Well, you can, but I'm not gonna. Because it's good stuff, right? KFC, can't beat it. Anyway, they made the Kernel change his name from Kentucky Fried to KFC because the state of Kentucky wanted to get in on the action, if you know what I mean. And my chicken's looking good already. Although the coating kind of came off, but I was afraid that was going to happen. Anyway, let me get my chicken cooked up and get it on a rack, and then we'll put this sandwich together, this double down sandwich. We'll get a beer and take a taste. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got all the components of my sandwich ready to go. I'm going to make a kind of a garlic aioli sauce to go on there. Put some, got 4 cloves of garlic minced up, and we got some mayonnaise, and of course we're going to put some sriracha in there because Big Dan Robertson told me if I put sriracha in everything, I can get video of the week every week. So I said, yeah, that sounds good to me. So we're going to make a garlic sriracha aioli with mayonnaise to make this will be the sauce for our sandwich. And the bread for the sandwich is the meat. The meat that we just cooked up, the chicken. And we've got some cheese to go on there. So let's start with this bottom slice of meat. The bottom slice, it didn't turn out too beautiful, did it? And I'm going to lay a piece of cheddar, man, I'll tell you what, pepper jack cheese on there. Then we got some bacon to go on there. Got lots of bacon, probably more than I needed. But you know how that goes. Let's put at least 3 pieces of bacon on there. Nice crispy bacon. Then we got some cheddar cheese. Then on the top of our sandwich we'll put some of this garlic aioli that I made. Garlic sriracha aioli. We'll see how that looks. I hope it looks good. I hope it's photogenic as a what I'm calling the double down sandwich. Let's see if we can get a good let's do a good glamour shot of that. Yeah, how about that? Does that look good? Let me get a beer and we'll take a taste of this monstrosity. It looks horrible, but I bet it's going to taste good. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the Frosty Root Boy mug in extreme close-up. Let's back out of that a little bit. And here's today's beer, another lager, Rob, from Heretic Brewing Company, classic German-style lager. There can't be good living where there's not good drinking. That's words of wisdom right there. Can't be good living where there's no good drinking. So let's pour out this lager, a German-style lager from Heretic Brewing Company. And I've accidentally not tilted the glass enough, and so I've got way too much head on this, but it's okay. It'll be all right. That's how you serve a lager. A lot of head. A lot of head on that. There you go. Yes, sir. Boy, I'll tell you what. That's one awesome beer right there. I'll bet you it's going to be great. Let's take a sniff of that, Rob. Ah, it smells great. It smells like a lager should. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. Plenty of froth to quaff. Ah, that's awesome. The Heretic Brewing Company has got some awesome beers. Hey, let me get my sandwich over here. Let's cut it open. The cheese didn't melt like I wanted it to, and the chicken didn't fry up like I wanted it to. The bacon's good though. Good bacon. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let me get a taste of that. Let me somehow get that in my mouth. I don't know how. I'm gonna do it. It's 2 pieces of fried chicken with bacon and cheese. Wow. Wow. That's great, actually. Delicious. I could just eat some bacon. What's better than bacon, eh? Hey, babies. That's an awesome sandwich. I'm chewing on bacon. An awesome beer. You know what I'm doing? Oh. Anyway, you know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see a new channel I found called the Red Meat Channel, or Red Meat Lover. Something like that. He got some awesome videos. You'll enjoy it. Go check him out. The Red Meat Lover. Subscribe to me, the Root Boy Cooks. Come back next week. I hope we'll make something more photogenic than this mess. But I'm not holding out any hope. Anyway, babies, let's, what can I say? I don't know. Hey, bye!